ehunu se akosomo sitade na ye bia tomo no adan bebre enene ensuo no amene won ye de sansam no nchiremu nso ebebrɛw abano esusu se yenuano mu asabi won mo kidney eho aba haw mfidi a ye de won to so no eho ka ne bie no obefa eno ne nsem bi na no pay mede bro sa Adom TV Badwam kase wo hwa me live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra and a Go TV so a channel near 119 DSTV a channel 280 YouTube and so a Adom TV tube within the affair amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mientie said and some chiremu ankasa ete nadmo and military joint military team no and VRM penifo aye hwehwemu amene wabehunu sa kosomo sutade na ya biomu nti no adan ene niema dodo no a ene ne ensuo no ase no yamano boni kwame anum eka team no ho ne won mahunu ewo ho Adom TV kase etwaso.
A lot of people here, so we need the house facilities, the house where domestic problem like the bathhouse, the toiletry and the staff for the people, and we need medical facilities to uphold with this situation. Here because there are a lot of mosquitoes around here that can get into malaria and kind of call of that.
Yeah, they have to respond to this one for us. Alebe nemile na nebian chwa mele gbobe o no akokpele nyenwi. Nenya tabiele gbosusu mamanti. Anuma me biele yonu kenke.
Nam saadu sira wodi tu dwane nti acting commander wa Ghana Navy ahye wono mobo se aban aye krado ya wo ye nhyehyeye se sunsuanso obone ene hawo asensu yiri ede ababejai wonso no obeyi afiri honom ama won ho ato wono.
The whole Ghana is with you. We are all together in this very difficult situation. But as you are aware, it is something that is necessary to save the whole country. So we, the armed forces, we are supporting NADMO and VRA to deal with the situation. We perfectly understand the condition you are in. The first thing we are concerned about is your life, your safety, and your health. And that as much as possible, as much comfort as we can get for you while the situation, it is not going to take too long. So the government is fully committed to ensure that you are safe first and that you are taken care of.
Osofo ya wo shop mden hu nsem so ye kwaku agema manu na ne wode atudwa sa aban no esusu adwene ahwe se wona dialysis machine no eso na aban betumi afa wom ka no bi kakra na tumi ahenha won mo de nsem we betudwa na renal patient for won wode sra ya wode to aban nanim se na bo no aye gye won wo kolebu ene atenaye ahodo bi na no den ti aban ne mremu ne ho ne nam so emo raj mameno de sansemi etudwa Adom kase edebe.
Ensure that the allied health sector will receive the needed attention and develops accordingly. We have established a program office, which is a functional unit for allied health professionals under the technical coordination directorate of the ministry. And we have indeed appointed a chief program officer to provide technical expertise and guidance in development of policies, regulations, programs, plans, and standards that is to lead an inclusive system where professionals, including your practice, develop accordingly.
Ghana Association of Medical Laboratory Scientists edi adisrede eto aban enimu se wonfa wonsa enhye mrase na wonte Medical Laboratory Science Council said ye beya wonum adwuma awoye no wobetumi aye nhyehyeye ama wonum ade ba ko ekoi esan pese aseye hwe apomudi hu nsam so ebeya ama wonum ene se wobeti asuyeye ewo mantamu ene mansini ahoduo nyina mu ama wonum.
On the regulatory front, the profession has achieved statutory regulation for the profession and place of practice with the enactment of the Health Professional Regulatory Act 2013, Health Institutions and Facility Act 2011, and the passage of the Ghana Accreditation Service Act 2023 to license professionals, license facilities, and accredit medical laboratories across the country. These are remarkable developments, but the professional body is looking to the establishment by law a Medical Laboratory Science Council to regulate the profession of medical laboratory science specifically. There is still the need for medical laboratory directorate in all teaching hospitals, the Ministry of Health, and all the management level, national, regional, and district of the Ghana Health Service. The laboratory plays a pivotal role in public health and creative services and should have a distinct, well-established management structure to assist in the delivery of creative services and emergency preparedness of the health system.
To ensure that the allied
Womo ekabie womu ya ebia medics ebia CSO sane NGOs nene wonde wonsem to edwachire mu ya womo ahwehwe mu kakra womo hunu no abeda di se enuro ya yedema wona sabi adwen no eho anya haw esanse eni hododo na de wobono so nkoso dodo nti enene amakon no ayede ede ama womo a ewo haw ewa adwen mu nti etu atese ewo memu ene one more abawramu wakaso North South District public health nurse ya wo ho Sarah Sumbinda na wose ene se womo asabi adwen mu a teach mano doso a na ni nyina ejina se nuro no adodo no ani ho a wonfama wontia Adom TV etwaso
kyerɛkyerɛ ma ye bokoko a kyerɛkyerɛ ma hia se wo bo won ho ban obo wadwene ho apomuden ho ban na enkote emro baabi e wo se ekoso enkote mfa so efi se nipa hwehwemu ame hu se nipa adwene etifa so a na se na ho a ebedi beye 11 years ansan watimi ensini dada mu biom sa 11 years no productive years a ubelus enti ye twene pa adwene abaya ho so mpem bebre ana abrabɔ no mu ensem nti nipa adwene ni so de bia ye adwene de ochina medi ye adwene bebia meda me ba school fees ni nyina aye but se ye hunu ye ho so hwe sa brewe na se ekodane yare a na no so de adwendwene foforo abeto ye so
Yamani Boni and psychiatric health nurse Rahel Odro etwetwe nkomo ono so de nsem si ene to aso
ya futu a me pesa me de ma ene omo wo market ha ne say early detection no eboa pa nti akoba ne say obi wo ha o go through depression o go through stress nani nje o feel worthless o feel hopeless announce say onya suicidal thoughts manent na hokra sa nipa no ombra psychiatric unit and answer onko any psychiatric hospital send e be betumi aboa ne ntenten na nkoba ne say so oba no obenante abonte na bia wayi ne ho no nenam ye ma no omuhia ye mpa
Stacy Amwateng eye brand ambassador Emma Emerging Woman watu Ghana fo nyina fo se wo fate bia bi mu a omomodin ase woni obi ebedi ho nkomo
so we share data na so we a doctor or share dream ba kubia or share nipa 821,000 or mo wa dream yare me hu ya me yam hye ya boy yare bebre hu da ru so mental health ade a yen shada embo hu da ru ana mental health no so bebre wo wa ye nam fefefe nso no adwe ne touch makakra
ye be kyerɛkyerɛ ma ye bokoko a kyerɛkyerɛ ma
ekokuma ya wamra shebedwa fie mu hunu ne se mampani adodanko akufo ado asam a wokan ye se best wasi result no na nsanya ni nyina gina free SHS ne de wamuna ne nyadwen na minority spokesperson on education ye Peter Nochu Kotoi wono de susu se emu nsisi so emu ne da ho wankani wono aban no anamampani anyadwen ne nsam enchemuni.
For me, the president has not been sincere. If the president is telling us that the results are better than before, he is not in the ministry, he is not in that sector, so he has been misfed with information. But even if they are better, why is University of Ghana threatening to withdraw students who got below 1.0 CGPA. You see, so for me, it is not better because they are only writing Ghana WASE and not the international one. I dare them to enter the group of the 4 other countries and then come out with results and see if theirs will be better than that of other countries. So for me, yes, the numbers have increased, but what is the quality of graduates that are coming out of the free senior high school institutions?
Ni nyina mu no ekuo ya ewendi samanyukuo ni mu ede to aban animu say said de kane na Ghana and West African countries ahodo ka won hu bomu etro standardized wase no one sign enhyase entro ne sabium manfo beka yi a fibra COVID-19 yare no ebaye ewa afimpinu ene eduonu mu ena academic calendar no esesan ya ne senti Ghana hyase etro wono mu ankasa ensohwe ranking member of education committee so e ma shebedwemu ena de sansemi to.
For me, it is, I think, or I feel it is a deliberate act or action by the Ministry of Education to delay in joining the international WASE because of the reasons I've given so far. Because when it is international, you will find it very difficult to cheat. But now it is only meant for Ghana. So Ghana WASE, anything goes. Yeah. But WAEC, as I said, is doing their best. But the Ministry of Education is not supporting them. So it is time we went back. If the other countries
Orabia na nida kwan se wo beprem Russia bedwa akonya ma NDC wo Gomoa Central ya disqualify no said the party no yenti obeka ne supporters no abomu na why campaign tie party no Adom TV etwaso.
Gomoa Central NDC cannot win without me. It will be 100%. Let me tell you why. My ward, my electoral area is the biggest in the constituency. That is the populace in terms of votes. It is very sad what has happened. NDC cannot win Gomoa Central without Kosovo. There's nothing anybody can do. Spiritually, it won't work. Physically, it won't work. And it's going to be very tough. I am going to wait, sit down and wait for who will come. Then we will sit down and negotiate and talk.
Dr. Madison Adanisa ene yaudin yosen ena wenya akwenya woku jina sebe ya esi ahenefo beto wonso aba amwetumi agina apre emrahye bedwa akunya no na wonom ne amane boni enkomotwetwe mu no wode atudwa se wonom midie obi biara esi ahenefo beto aba yi no obetai na chi sebe ya wonom betini age emrahye bedwa akunya no efi MPP amanyuku ne nsam
on see that 28 October ekwato aba Gomoa Central one to my doctor Robert Zabat. That's all put there in the unlikely event. Nah, there. What to delegates? What's there? One fair mama. When you put me a robe, baby, more bonnet drama, mamma for yes, and this year united. The one kabum, nothing kabum see a juma. Maybe I could be able to 28 of this.
Adishie bi a one more boase ni ajepa say won so beka Ghana phobia snit entento ho bosumi bi a won so do hu be hyemu eye CD ya ye obi a wo ye adwuma se so se hwa wa adwuma obetumi atibia to ho wa muni aje ho se ne won so do hu hyemu Adom TV etwaso yi
sada wo boy no wo ba bi a enyan koduru ye nkuro nkito no bebre wo ho mo kora na ehia ye kuani bi hia so wote adepam ni bi hia so wote na enyanko akiri saa enti mesre ye nuanom senate force ba bi mo office wo bia no ye momoden na ye ma sada wuboi enko akiri na obia enti mesanso asre me nuanom asofo masre imamfo mesre akyerɛkyerɛfo ne proprietors ayebe yankasa ye school mpo PTA meeting ase ye betima fresh net for mama na maba masa nkyerɛkyerɛ ma ya wofo no omo so atimi ayebi
osan so tu ema wonom ewo man mu a woye wankase wadwuma nyina fo se snake seed policy no ese won faso ma wonom pint won fa won ho enhyem
to na mo ne nyina de ho hyɛ saa snake emu a yedu ye mpanim fie so no kra no eye dan a kakra be free honum aba enti no kwasem ne yade a ani so ye enti metu ye nuanom nyina afo oma ye omonsa no adwuma nyina kankan emma meka se oba bia afa ne ho hye sa adwumade yi emu emma wo krasika emma woni daso krasika ye sika bia wo mra ye mu no kura wonim se eye dan ya bosome so a sasika wo de beba mensam
yamane boni ene asafo mabi etwetwe nkomo eje wono mo adenkyere ewo sa seed policy ho
na menti ya afi na mati pa me di mi hu be hyem meka mfa ma obi asa no so di no hu be hyem sende obekwaduru baby na oba wuntumi nkomba gidi na that time the miscan na betum di aye
ma me ketra ma fa nkola me ne omo ye adwuma me ye bi ma nkola no so senti a me ye bi nse
ejebo eja wanya ba bedru se santanra nyame ya adom afibia gospel show yede ebramo wo manmu a yato ne din Adom praise no eno ayepa ho entoma a edede se 29th se nyame amanko ade a dwumadue no ebehihye so a yekwas ahodo won sori mu ene yakeka bomu a artist nso ebi edi wonim ene yede beye na eno akra yepa ho entoma kakra no ese wani se okakire enkohwe bi
On behalf of Adom FM, Adom Brands, Multimedia Group, I declare the Adom Praise Choirs Edition duly launched.
Adom Praise, ye be him. Adom Praise,
ye be him.
Adom Praise,
ye be him.
Say, Mami Nyumbako.
Wado baby. I want wado baby. I want wado baby. Odo baby. But a choir for this way.
Ejumede ababeto jom ede amayen. Dedikai a harmonious choral. Destiny songs. Cedar Mountain. Bethel Revival Choir. Perez Chapel Choir. CT Praise. Multimedia Choir. The Multimedia Choir. Royal House Chapel Joint Choir. Okay. Team Eternity Choir. Voices of Triumph. The New Song Choir. Put your hands together for Adom FM, Adom TV.
Pa nyame yadoma na 29th aka 2 weeks o kwasi ada we ne na awotwe wa ma be ya me ya papa 70 cedis brane enyi nyame aye yanhia na nwum de obetia ma asoku spirit no nti se wo how de ye obibi afa bewura ho wabon se by the time I'll be free ho 70 cedis no na enye kwa nti by this time the ticket no ya the locations a obenya bie no baba anya ya haidi egu ha brabejo de de aka no so ebeto monim ma menyine no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na no pe ya ha na brema kwan na me de sie me de afia amankwa tamaklo menko twem sisi aba 2 minutes bi ye ba na fe do bonkrata ne online stories no aye krado ma he kwabna sante kame ho na de atwa so